This is nice.
Ooh, that was a close one.
Yeah, it was sweet. So welcome back. Let me get it in gear. Welcome back to our channel. We are heading to the house right now, aren't we? In the old white truck. It's probably really, whoa. Good catch. Eli's supper? Yeah. He's been pretty ill. He got a late nap. Okay, so here's the plan. We're going to the house. Not much has changed since the last time we talked. Yeah. We've got brush piles that we're going to burn. So, is the burn ban still in effect?
Yeah.
So there's a burn ban in our part of the state. You can't burn until after 4. So, it's perfect timing this evening. So it's like 6 o'clock, perfect evening for it. It's been a pretty day. So we're gonna burn and caulk. Those are the 2 things on the agenda. Get the brush piles burned, get the caulking done. Not much has changed since we last talked. I'm afraid that's gonna be loud. Oh well. We've had 4 windows put in, maybe 6. We'll see today when we go if more have been in. We hope 6 are in. There was kind of a glitch. Our hardwood floors were supposed to go in today, but that won't happen until Saturday. It's currently a Tuesday. So anyway, we're just gonna go do some work and take you along and show you some of the fun home stuff that we get into this evening. We're just excited to be outside, honestly.
They can hear us.
Yeah, I don't know. This might be all for naught. This might be nothing. But anyway, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Jeez. Oh, that was funny. It's bouncing around. What do you think about it?
You ready to go start a fire? Oh, yeah.
I hope this improves his mood because currently he is not feeling it. Okay, catch you out there. It's gonna be so nice to see these gone. Somebody decided they were finally ready for supper. Eating a roll, watching the fire, watching the traffic. Beautiful evening. Good throw. Is it yummy? Yeah, you like it? Good. Are you having a good evening with Mommy and Daddy? No. Yeah. His mood has improved greatly. He's feeling better. Yeah. I've not even got half a door frame caulked at this point, but it's okay. This is nice. We had great intentions of multitasking tonight and barreling through the to-do list, but it was one of those nights when you just get swept up in the moment and the joy of being together. This home renovation has been amazing, but it doesn't come without its costs, and family time has been in short supply lately. So tonight we seized the moment and chose to catch our breath, take a step back, and just enjoy each other. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's about half of the size that it was a while ago. 10 minutes ago, really. Almost all the paneling has burnt. Matt's just pitching stuff onto it. It really took well. We're just enjoying it, aren't we, buddy? Careful. Let's not lean over the side.
Careful, watch your head.
You might see one. You just gotta keep looking. That's funny. So we're looking at the stars, Mom. Tell her.
Stars, stars, stars.
Stars.
Ducks. The fire. What? Whoa. Are you so excited? I hope you've enjoyed our little vlog that we had for today, and if you're in a season of life where things just seem really crazy and hectic, I would say look for a time when you can just step back and breathe. It might come in an unexpected way. Just be on the lookout for that, because these little moments can kind of come and snatch you by surprise, and they're really beautiful and they really help you to reset. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next week, and I hope that you have a great day.